the hazard associated with construction installation activities have been addressed. So you are doing the FRA, of course, yes. And WMS is there, so now I will remove this one because this is all the failing. So you are doing the FRA, you are doing the toolbox, and WMS procedure is approved, and method statement is in place.
Yes.
So in
WMS.
WMS, yeah, WMS, yeah.
The evidence.
Evidence, WMS system.
No need of JS.
No need to put.
No need to mention the JS.
Only approved FRA. You have JSA also?
Yeah.
Then what is FRA? FRA?
FRA plus
JSA.
PW. Yes. It's there. Okay. Some evidences we want to refer to control the activity. It's already.
So ultimately, it is saying that are you identifying construction risk?
Yeah.
Answer is yes. We are doing method statement.
You will be having this even this FRA also part of book management. Yeah, because you will be preparing the checklist. You will be updating it as part of it. You will be attaching the FRA.
This is not only thing. You have the method statement. Method statement identifies all the risk and hazard. You have a permit work system. You have got checklist. So you are going to tick all this, hazard. And then you have got FRA. You identify all job steps and you identify all the recommendations. And on top of that, you do the toolbox training. And other than that, you also put warning and signboards. Warning signboards are also one kind of hazard identification. So I think let us put it. Right? Now you have warning signboards there in.
Yes, we have. But this is on how the chairman is the place of how chairman can address.
And nobody.
No, what is as part of the WMS, they will be identifying if there is a safety signboards required, they will be ensuring it. As part of the WMS checklist system, they will be ensuring.
I tell you, PHSER 4 should be done at site.
Yeah, that's why.
That is why chairman goes there.
That's why we don't want to give that chances because since we are dealing it here. So instead of mentioning specifically,
okay, so
relevant to the site.
yes, so that means we are happy here. Regarding click the procedure for assessing the contractor HSE MS. So see the contractor HSE MS, how do you verify? You do doing audit only. Other than audit, you don't have any other mechanism to review it, right? So contractor and conducts HSE MS audit as per the plan. As per the plan.
No, the construction HSE plan they would have mentioned. Oh yeah. So what we can say is contractor construction HSE plan